Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stamping with Amore, and today I have a card to share with you. It is a money card. We have a couple graduations we need to go to, some neighbor kids that are graduating. They are both girls, and I am going to make the same card for both of them. And they are graduating from the same school, so I'm just decided that I'm going to hand it to them like this, but you can absolutely make an envelope for this using your envelope punch board. But I love this paper, and I don't know if you can even see the mosaic effect of it, and it's got like a little bit of shiny to it, and I'm really loving the stamp set. In fact, on Tuesday, I will be posting, not Tuesday, on Wednesday, I will be posting a card that I'm using with the same stamp set, a different flower off of it, but I thought it really turned out really cute, and it's great for beginners and beyond. So here is the stamp set. It's called Floral Essence. It is now available. June 4th, our new catalog went live. So if you've been really anxious to see that catalog, which I'm sure you're going to love it, this is one of the stamp sets that you can get with it. And also the designer series paper, which is called Mosaic Mood Specialty Designer Series paper, and it's specialty because of the mosaic look to it. On one side it has that mosaic look, and I'll give you a sneak peek. I actually used this design on my card for Wednesday, but you can see the birds. I don't even know if the camera is going to pick up how gorgeous this paper is. So this is what I'm using on this project, but look at all of the designs in here. Look at these roses, and then look at this rose, and this is the one that's got the mosaic on it. It's absolutely beautiful paper. I love it all. And this is the last one. Look at that. And at first glance, it wasn't going to be one that I chose. We actually got this free at convention, and when I opened it, I was so shocked how beautiful it was. So this is the card that I'm sharing. You have to remove the ribbon, and then it just opens like that. And I just put a $5 bill in there. I just wanted to show the money in the inside so you would get an idea. So I am using, this also is new ribbon. And what is the name of this ribbon again? It is Mint Macaron, and it is called the Textile Ribbon. It is so nice to tie, and it's really pretty and textured. All right, so let's get started with this. And I am going to tell you what you need, and then we'll get scoring. So for this, you're going to need a piece of 6 3/4 by 7-inch cardstock. This is Mint Macaron, or macaroon, however you like to say it. And then for the matting, I'm using that mosaic paper, which is 2 5/8 by 6 3/4. And then you'll need a piece for the sentiment, which is very vanilla, and it is 2 3/4 by 3/4. And then you'll need some scrap Mint Macaron and some scrap Very Vanilla to stamp the flowers and the leaves. All right, so let's go ahead and score this. So on the 6 3/4 side, we are going to score, and that's all we're scoring on is the 6 3/4 inch side. We're going to score it at 1 1/4. This is going to be really easy for you. And at 4. And that is it. Super quick and easy card to make. And I needed it pretty quick, so I decided I was going to make one really quickly. So I'm using the 1 1/4 inch circle punch, and I am just going to center it, just eyeball it, and then you're going to stamp, you're going to punch halfway. And then you're going to use some tear and tape, because you don't want this to come apart, and you're just going to put a piece on each edge here on this part. This tear and tape is so good for stuff like this. I use it a lot for my boxes and bags. And I'm looking for my little tool. So let me grab my Take Your Pick tool because I cannot see my other one. And I'm just going to switch out my stylus on that because it comes with a bunch of different ends. And so we're going to use this little pokey tool. It's a piercer, and we're going to remove the backing on here. The Take Your Pick tool is one of the most valuable tools. It has everything on there. Alright, so that is our card right there. I'm going to use our designer series paper and we're going to mat it. And let's see, how do I want that? I think I'm going to do it this way. It's so pretty. It's just so hard to see in the camera. And then we're going to go ahead and tie the ribbon, and then we'll do our stamping. So this measures 7 inches by 2 3/4. And you have plenty of room to put your money in there. And it ties such a pretty bow. And it ties really easily. I am not the best bow tire. I will be the first to admit that. But this one, it really ties a nice bow. Alright, now I'm going to cut the ends. Last year we had a couple kids graduate too. They were both boys. This year we have the girls graduating. My granddaughter graduated last year too from the same school that they're all graduating from. Alright, so let's go ahead and get stamping. First I'm going to just stamp the, where's that little piece for the sentiment? Yeah, I lost my little piece for the sentiment. So let's go ahead and just stamp the flowers because I think that it's going to show up. I'm hoping it's going to show up. So, oh yeah, there it is. See? Right there. So I'm going to do the terracotta tile. This is one of our new in colors. And we are going to stamp it. Actually, we're going to stamp it 3 times, not just 2. Because I wanted some extra dimension. And then we're going to use some mint macaron for the leaves. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp those while we have this all out. And then we're just going to punch. I'm going to do it on this side. And the punch that we have, I'll list it in the video, but this is a punch that we've had in the past, and it coordinates perfectly with this stamp set too. It works great. I didn't know if it would, but it absolutely does. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get the terracotta tile one more time and do our sentiment on it. It was perfect. Wishing you a blissful future. Alright, so now let's just punch and put this all together. As you can see, it's very quick and easy. So the punch coordinates with the stamp set, and it is a bundle. So you save 10% if you get it as a bundle. We're going to line these up, and I need to cut a little bit off here. I don't know if I can punch all of these out. I may have to cut as I go. So sometimes it's a little tricky. And then one more. All right, and then like I was saying, this is the leaf punch, and I don't remember the name of it, and I'm not sure if this has carried over into our new catalog. I will check and I'll put it in the video as well, but look at it, it fits perfectly for this leaf. I'm so happy because I was thinking I did not want to cut these leaves out because it's so narrow and they're hard to cut. All right, let's put this all together. So I'm using dimensionals for the flower. So I'm putting one in the center. I'm going to use this one as the bottom. And I do take my bone folder to give it a little dimension, and you can do this up or you can do it down, curl them downwards. I've seen it done both ways, and it's really pretty both ways. And then we're going to layer this one, and we're going to put one more dimensional in the center there. And it really gives it nice dimension. And we'll put this one on here. And then we're ready to put this all on here. I'm going to use glue dots for attaching these all. So I'm going to put glue dots on the bottom here, probably 3. And let's go ahead and put our sentiment first. So I want to get that lined up where it needs to be. And then we'll put this one on, and then we'll add our flowers. And I actually just used some snail for the flower, the leaves I should say. And kind of tuck that under there. And then we'll put this one under here. And that is it. It's that quick and easy and simple. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.